So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect multiple JBL speakers together. We have this Boombox 2 here, we have this Flip 5, and we have Boombox 2 here. So we are going to connect one of them using Bluetooth, which I have on my phone here, and then after that, now we pair them using the Party Connect or the PartyBoost icon we have right here. All of them have that specific icon. You can see it's right over there. So first thing first, what you have to do is ensure that the first speaker is connected to your Bluetooth device, and once you've turned on the device, long press on the Bluetooth icon so that it starts blinking, and you'll hear that connecting sound. Then once it's flipping, the white color is flipping, then you'll come to a Bluetooth device and add the JBL Boombox 2. So for our case, we've already connected, and now at first we have this connected. Let me just play it. I'll have to reduce the volume a bit. Let's start with halfway. Yeah, so you can hear this is the one that is connected. Yeah, and these ones are not connected at all, very silent. Yeah, so once you've done that, come and turn on the other one. I'll turn on this. Yeah, so it's on. So now once you've done this on and the first one is still playing, come and press on the Party Connect icon just once until you hear that sound. Okay, let's do it. You heard that? So come here and press on this one again once, then you give it. Okay, let's do it again. You heard that sound? Yeah, so now you see they're connected. So we have both of them connected, and you can hear the sound. So we are going to begin our sound test with now the two JBL Boombox 2 connected together. And as usual, let's begin with halfway volume. Let's put the volume halfway. I think that's halfway. And let's start it. Let's see. Let me get back to my sitting position. So this is my sitting position, and maybe you can feel the difference. Have a clear listen at the mids and the bass. Now let's adjust the volume to maximum. So massive. The windows are shaking all over here. My sitting position, yeah. Remember it. Volume. So we're going to try to connect this with the others, and now let's turn it on too. Let's ensure it's on. Now it's on, and as usual, let's try and connect it. So let me just play the sound from there. Then this. You hear it? You hear it? Have a look here. This can be a good mid-range speaker. You can just place it maybe somewhere here for surround. So you have one here and then you have two right installed there. So you can imagine the feeling that you get from this.